Looking for a smartwatch that's open source, ultra customizable, and made for makers? Say hello to the ESP32 Smart E-Watch, Watchy version 2.0, the ultimate wearable dev kit for DIYers, coders, and Arduino enthusiasts. Priced at just $72.90, that's 50% off the original price. This programmable smartwatch is a complete open-source platform you can wear. Click the link in the description below to buy. Featuring a 1.54-inch ultra-low-power e-paper display with a crisp 200 by 200 resolution, it looks great in bright sunlight and has that signature e-ink aesthetic. Here's what makes Watchy stand out. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE connectivity, ESP32-based chip for seamless coding with Arduino, MicroPython, or ESP-IDF. Real-time clock and vibration motor. Built-in accelerometer with gesture detection. Fully open-source hardware and software. 4 tactile buttons for easy navigation. Dozens of custom watch face examples available. It's more than a smartwatch. It's a wearable IoT playground. Use APIs to connect it with weather apps, news feeds, or even your Spotify queue. The battery lasts up to 7 days on a single charge in standard timekeeping mode, and around 2 to 3 days when syncing data with Wi-Fi. Setup is simple. Just head to the Wi-Fi menu, connect from your phone, open the browser, and save your network credentials. It's plug-and-play for tinkerers. Want to personalize it even more? Use 3D printing to create your own case or upgrade the strap. The design is fully customizable. Whether you're a maker, student, educator, or just love customizing your gadgets, the Watchy version 2.0 is your new favorite dev watch. Click the link in the description below to get yours now at 50% off. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more weekly tech and maker gear reviews. See you in the next video.